Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you with lunch today and a twist on buffalo chicken. If you love buffalo chicken wings, you might like this dish. This is our tangy chicken. This is from Clean Food Crush. If you follow Clean Food Crush, look them up on Facebook, look them up on their website. This tangy chicken is amazing. She always promotes it. And what we did is we made that tangy chicken. We've made it before, it's in the app. And we put it over sweet potato with some steamed broccoli. I got some celery sticks because we mixed together some Greek yogurt, Frank hot sauce, and a little bit of honey, and made this buffalo style sauce. And we topped it with some blue cheese as well to get that ultimate buffalo chicken wing flavor. Once I heat this up, I'm gonna drizzle this over it and it's gonna be amazing. Guys, you can make your coworkers jealous with this dish. So cook it up, it's coming out in the app this week. Hope you love it. You guys have a great